You got selected in Goldman Sachs as an intern. Tell us about the entire interview process of Goldman Sachs.
So this was an off-campus opportunity. So the first round was a resume screening round. The entire process consisted of 5 rounds. Starting with the first round, which was an online assessment. First round मेरा schedule हुआ था जिसमें there were 70 MCQs. So 70 MCQs थे from various topics such as logical reasoning, aptitude, diagrams, quantitative questions. So second stage जो था, that was also an online assessment again, but this time it was more technical in nature. इस round में there were 3 DSA questions. Apart from that, there were a few MCQs as well, 5 to 10 MCQs, and then एक behavioral question भी था. मुझे कंपनी की तरफ से मेल आया that you have cleared the second online assessment as well. So जब इंटरव्यू का दिन आया, तो सबसे पहले I was asked to introduce myself. मैंने अपने बारे में बताया, and then she also introduced herself. After that, we went on to discussing some CS fundamentals, and the second and third rounds will be scheduled tomorrow. जब मेरा सेकेंड इंटरव्यू हुआ, which is typically the fourth round of the hiring process, so the interviewer started with a basic introduction as always. फिर मुझसे उन्होंने पूछा कि आपने React.js पर क्या काम किया है. मैम, each interview round was typically 35 to 40 minutes.
ठीक है. And then what happened in the last interview round?
मेरे स्क्रीन पे एक इंटरव्यूअर आए. So this time the interviewer was a very senior person from the firm. So he started with his introduction and then उन्होंने मेरे बारे में पूछा. Then he told me to walk through one of the projects, and this was more of a technical cum HR round. Then he asked कि if you have any questions for me. So I went on to asking about the culture at Goldman Sachs. So this was how my third round ended. एक mail pop up हुआ around 6 PM and it said congratulations, you are selected.